It is currently pouring outside. If you hear any sound like thunder, this is it. We'll see what I got today. And yes, lights are flashing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am working with Rose Morning's flower wall. You guys, if you haven't checked Rose Morning's website yet, I highly suggest that you go and do that, because they have a beautiful selection of flower walls for any occasion, for any theme, for any party. Check it out, you won't be disappointed. I also have a coupon code with them. It's code ANNA for 10% off at checkout. This beautiful wall today, I will do a full-on unboxing, full-on setup, and I cannot wait to see how everything will look like together. I will also link and list everything in the description under the video. So without any further ado, let's go. Let's start with unboxing. As you can see, I have two boxes over here. Why? Because the wall itself is 8 feet by 8 feet, and the wall is split into two separate pieces. Those two separate pieces, when you hang them on your backdrop, you can connect them and it will look like one continuous wall of flowers. So let's unbox them. I am super excited. So I unboxed my boxes and here's what I have. Instead of 2 panels, I have 4. My previous flower wall that I worked with from Rose Morning had 2 panels. So I just connected 2 and it was ready to go. Here I have 4 bags, looks like 4 panels that I need to connect. I don't know if it's something new or it depends on the amount of flowers that they include in their walls. So let's unbag, connect, and I will show you an up close with all the details in the back how it will connect.
That hole needs to go that way a little bit.
Oh my gosh. Here we go. My flower wall is on my backdrop. I'm gonna keep this flower wall on my backdrop for a couple of days because flowers need to relax. As you can see, flowers are squished. No wonder, because they were packed in boxes for a few days. Now, in the back, this is what I have. I have 4 panels zipped up together by a zipper. Very nice zipper. It's very easy to zip all of the panels together. I had no problems. For extra security, you can always tie these guys over here to hold everything together. I didn't see that that is necessary. Also, on the sides of my panels, let me see if I can give you a better angle, there are these tails as well. So these tails are handy because you tie these side tails to your frame and it's holding your flower roll nice and secure, and it's not going and flopping from back to front. So it's holding up very nicely. Also, this wall is a little bit longer than my frame, so it's kind of curves to the back. Not a big deal. I'm just showing you that it's longer than my frame. Other than that, I wanna probably grab a hair dryer and help these flowers come to its original shape by blowing warm air on the flowers. So hopefully it's gonna relax a little bit. I'm gonna fluff them up with my hands, try to kind of give this wall a better fluff, if you will. Let's leave this wall alone for a few hours, for a couple of days, I don't know, and we'll come back to it. Alright, you guys, so this is the next day. So yesterday, before going to bed, before leaving this flower wall hanging, I spent like an hour of going around and trying to fluff up all of the squished flowers. It worked. Let me show you what I did yesterday and what I'm doing today to help out these flowers to bounce back. So here's what I did yesterday. If I would see a flower like this, I would take the flower into the palms of my hands and I would like roll it just like this, and already it's so much better. It's kind of like fluffed, but it's not completely back to its original shape. I'm grabbing a hair dryer. I put it on a warm or hot setting, and I am slowly heating up the flower while pinching the flower in my palms, because I don't want to overheat the flower and petals will be super open. I don't want that, so I am slowly heating the flower. And after that, I am rolling it in my palms, and look at this. So basically this is like an ironing for your flowers on your wall. So I am going through with this method with a hair dryer all over the wall right now and kind of doing final ironing to my flowers. So let me show you one half of the wall, because I already finished half of the wall, and let me show you the other half that I didn't finish, and you'll see the difference. This is the side of the wall where I used a hair dryer on my flowers, and it looks so much better. And this is the side where I haven't used a hair dryer yet, and you can tell that flowers are squished and they are not back to its original shape. So let me finish the other half and I'll do a close-up. I am finished using a hair dryer on this wall. It looks much better than it was before. At first I was kind of like panicking a little bit, but when I gave a little more attention to the wall, spend a little time fluffing it up, it looks so much better. Definitely when you buy this wall, put some time into it, make it look presentable, make it look how it's supposed to look, instead of just unwrapping and going to the setups and setting up for the party. Make sure it's all looking beautiful. All right, I am very happy with the colors. I chose a balloon color palette that I've changed literally last second. I'm excited to see how that color palette will work against this wall. Now let's deal with balloons now. And this is the color palette that I will be working with today. I am double stuffing balloons this time. I am working with standard violet 5-inch balloons and 12-inch balloons from Calisan and Sempertex. These are crystal fuchsia in 12 and 5. Let's double stuff them. Here's how I double stuff balloons. I am grabbing a long wooden dowel. You can use a baby rack, a pencil, or a pen, or anything that can't fit inside of the balloons. Now, grabbing my violet first, these are 12-inch balloons, grabbing my crystal fuchsia and putting right on top of the violet. Crystal fuchsia will be a little bit translucent. It will let the purple shine a little bit through that crystal fuchsia. Let's inflate and see what's the color going to be. I am in love with this double stuffed balloon. Look how gorgeous this color looks. Fuchsia with hint of purple is just perfect for this wall. Alrighty guys, time to inflate. I am using my balloon pump from Festi. I will link this pump in the description under the video. I also have a coupon code with Festi. It's Anastasia10 for 10% off. You guys go ahead and check it out. I am grabbing two 11-inch balloons and I am inflating them at the same time into the same size. Into something like this, they don't have to be exactly the same. They can be somewhat similar size. sides. I am pressing them against the table to give my balloons more rounder shape, and I am tying them into a pair like this. Once I have two pairs, I need to combine them into a quad. Quad is 4 balloons together or 2 pairs of balloons combined together. So simply intertwine them together. And here we have a quad. I'm playing around with sizes, but I want to have enough to create mini balloon garlands out of same size quads. I hope that makes sense. Also, for my 5-inch balloons, I am using a LiQWYD to inflate my 5-inch balloons because I need them to be the same size. So I am putting a timer at about 0.9 and inflating them at that capacity. And doing exactly the same what I did with my 11-inch balloons, tying them together into pairs, combining them into quads, and then from those quads I will be making balloon garlands, mini balloon garlands. So let's inflate. You can see that I already created mini balloon garlands out of small 5-inch balloons. I want to repeat the same process with my other quads. I am grabbing next from balloons and tying those quads together into mini balloon garlands. So let's do the rest. Construct, so I am grabbing a whole bunch of command hooks with adjustable hooks, and I am just letting my creativity go. I am starting with the ceiling. I'm gonna drape some of the balloons. Maybe that's what I have in mind. We'll see where this design will take me. So enjoy the process of me creating this. Let's go. Absolutely love the different colors of balloons that we are supposedly getting out of these double stuffed balloons, just because I but really inflated these balloons to the full capacity. They did stretch out, and purple shows more in these balloons than in these guys over here. I didn't inflate these balloons to the full capacity. I inflated them probably like 70% of what this balloon can hold, and it absolutely looks so good. I kind of like this purplish, reddish color looking balloon garland. So I am very happy with what I am getting out of these double stuffed balloons. And this is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I am completely in love with all the colors, with the flower wall, with everything that I have here. I wasn't sure about the rug, but I left the room, came back a little bit later, and I am loving this rug now. It grew on me, honestly. I love all the colors on this flower wall, all the different flowers. I decided to add a bit of flowers on the side. I used these flowers right here, the buds, from the extra flowers that Rose Morning includes in every single package. If you buy a wall, they include extra flowers just in case something's gonna pop off the wall and you're gonna lose the flower, or flower is missing, and you can grab a glue gun and reattach those spots with extra flowers. So I decided to add those buds, and I got these leaves from Amazon. Why I wanted to do that? Because I wanted to continue the flow of the wall into the balloon garlands. I wish you guys could see the real colors in these balloons. Camera is not catching the colors quite as accurate as I see it in real life. It is absolutely stunning. If you need something like this in color, try double stuffing violet in crystal fuchsia. It's gorgeous. Trust me. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. Thank you so much, Rose Morning, for this beautiful, beautiful nickel wall. Again, you can use my code Anna for some percentage off at checkout. Everything will be linked and listed, as I said, in the description under this video. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. They always help. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out. Also, another shout out to Rose Morning for sending me this beautiful wall. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed working with it. If you new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and inspirational ideas. And I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.